Welcome to the Snake Pit.
Check this out. Got this in the mail Monday. Not sure what day you'll see this on, but I did take a quick sneak peek in there, so I wanted to do a little reveal here on camera because it's pretty cool. Bronco. Those of you that do or may not know, may or may not know, I did put down a reservation for a full-size Bronco last year. Converted that to an order earlier this year. I don't know if I ever showed that build video where I was speccing it out. A little more to that story. If you are interested in hearing the current, where the current status of that is, post down below. Let me know if you want to hear that. But for this vid, let's see what I have received in the mail unexpectedly. Didn't know this was coming in. And let's see here. Oh yes. Like I said, I took a quick little peek in here, so I kind of saw some of this. Okay. Ooh. All right. First off, decal action. There's still some wild out there. Bronco, established 1966. That's a pretty cool little sticker decal. And we have a little letter here. Like a couple little letters. I'll look at that a little closer here in a sec. This is what they have sent. Look at this. Alright. Cool. Oh, this is even cooler than I thought. Alright, first off, here, let me get this where you can see it. Down here. We're honored to have played a part in bringing the legendary Ford Bronco back. Our mission was simple: design with simplicity, make it human-centric, and keep the heritage of the original alive. With that in mind, we're excited to welcome you into the Bronco family. This is a limited edition, the Bronco design team, and what this is, let's see what it says at the top here. Johnson Valley, California, key development test site. A proven ground for Bronco. Okay, so I'll give you a little bit closer up look at this at the end, but these are concept art. This is original concept art from all the way back from as early as 3/9/2017 on up to the final sketch here. Looks like 2/4 of 2018. Cool. Concept art, and it's got this topographical background to it. Topographical maps, or kids, if you don't know about them, learn them. It's your 2D method of looking at a map and knowing your terrain, your ups and down, your elevations. This is cool. It's on a nice little cardstock, so I may get that framed up or frame it myself. And that's unexpected, you know. There have been, I will be the first to let you know my disappointment and the delays that have occurred with the Bronco rollout. A lot of it's due to the freaking, the Rona, the chip shortage, whatever else. They're having trouble keeping up with the production order for hardtops. I think everything I put into my Bronco, because I went squatchy with it, is delaying it. And I've been getting limited emails basically just saying, hey, you're probably not getting your Bronco this year. Again, more to that story if you want to hear it. But let's just look at this letter real quick. Dear Bronco owner, fact is, the further off-road you get, the less talk you're likely to hear. And that spirit will keep this short and sweet. Thank you for knowing that despite the wait, there are trails ahead of all of us. Thank you for being a member of Bronco family, and thank you for your loyalty to Bronco and the wild that awaits. Included here is a limited edition poster that offers a glimpse into the work that guided the design team from early concepts to final design sketches. Now, there's an untamed beast on its way, and we're looking forward to making the introductions. Entire Bronco team. Now, I've been wanting the Bronco to be brought back since I saw the first concept vehicle. This isn't the first concept. Those of you that know what I'm talking about, pipe in. I believe it's around 2004 time frame. I have to go look it up again. I got some of the pictures saved. But I know at a car show, I saw, and it was one of those shows that you see a lot of concept vehicles, and I think it had even been out for a while, so it was just kind of making the rounds, if I remember correctly. But there was a concept Bronco out there back in 2004 time frame. Never was made. Now this is probably a totally different animal. It has some of the same. This has some of the same design cues that I remember, but even this is different than the concept that I remember from the early 2000s. So fast forward to 2021, and here we are. I have a limited edition poster. Now it's not numbered, so I don't know how many they could crank out 1,000,000 of these, I guess, but it says limited edition. Needs to be numbered there, fellas, or gals, or whatever. There it is. Let me know what you think. That's kind of cool. It's an unexpected thing. A little nice little touch there from Ford. For those that are waiting. All right. Boom.